Hello ladies, welcome back to the Classy Ladies Squad. My name is Andrea Kinloch and I am your host. The Classy Ladies Squad is a community where women are impacting women through evaluated experiences, cultivating and leveling up. Today's video is how to make conversation. Hopefully this video will help you connect with people through conversation. People love talking about themselves, but yet they love to hear others talk about them even more. So when you are engaging in a conversation, make sure that you're listening real good and ask great questions. Just the other day, my daughter said, "Mom, how do you do that? You just go up to people and just start talking and people talk with you." And I told her, I said, you know what? It's not all about me. It's all about them. You have to make them feel comfortable in their space. When you walk up into their space, you want to engage in them. You want to give them a compliment. You want to give them eye contact. So now they're willing to provide information that you can elaborate on. Just listen real good to what they're saying to you and just pull something from that and make them give you more information about that. That's how you build the conversation. There are several points to help you engage in conversation. Number one, introduce yourself and listen for their name. Number two, remember their names so that you may use their names in conversation. Number three, give them a compliment. Example, your hair sure is beautiful today. Who's your stylist? Number four, listen for things that interest them. For example, they love to go to football games, they love bowling, they love to dance, etc. I heard you say that you own a business. I've always been interested in owning a business. What do you do? Remember, the more you do it, the more you will become comfortable with having a conversation with someone. Just remember, be simple, be clear, and make sense and get to the point. Always be interested in what the other person has to say. They will give you the opportunity to speak after you show interest in them. Ladies, I hope that this video motivates you, empowers you, and adds value to you. And if you like this video, consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to the channel, and hit that notification bell. Every time I upload a video, you will be notified. Now, if you do like the video, go down in the comments and let us know, what did you like about the video? If you didn't like the video, do the same, but give it a thumbs down and tell us why you didn't like the video. I invite you to go back and look at some of my other videos to build some of your skills in communicating and connecting with people when having a conversation. Now, ladies, know who you are, stay in your truth, and own it. Until the next time, until the next video, peace for now.